Hey, good morning. This is about inverse functions. So first off, let's talk about what inverse functions are. Oh, look at that. We got a nice little, in the corner, I don't know, I can't remember, nice little guitar. I guess you have verses, inverse, guitar, verses, singing, okay. We have the function f of x is simply x plus 4. We're picking something easy to see, and we're going to talk about set A being 1, 2, 3, and 4. So if we were to plug 1 in for x, 1 plus 4 is 5, 2 plus 4 is 6, 3 plus 4 is 7, and 4 plus 4 is 8. So if you look at x, if x is 1, 2, 3, 4, then set B is 5, 6, 7, 8, because that would be the answers to that. Hence the fact then that would be the function 1, 5, 2, 6, 3, 7, and 4, 8. 1 gives me 5, 2 gives me 6, 3 gives me 7, and 4 gives me 8. An inverse function is denoted by the effects of undoing the other function. So in other words, I'm going to go, instead of going 1 to 5, I'm going to go what? 5 to 1. And from 2 to 6, it's 6 to 2. Notice, the only thing that changed was the order of the numbers. So the inverse function takes the y answer and now makes it x, and then the x becomes the y. That's the inverse, and so we're trying to find out what would make the opposite. Well, think about it. If I added 4 to 1 to get to 5, if I take 4 away from 5, I get 1. Or 4 away from 6, I get 2. 4 away, 7, I get 3. 8 away, I get 4. And notice the notation. This would be the notation for inverse. F of negative 1, but we call it the inverse function of x. This would be f of x, and this would be the inverse function of x. Meaning it's the inverse of the f of x problem. That's all it is. Inverse functions basically are switching the x's and y's.